the H49's overall performance, especially its full-load hydrogen consumption in high-speed scenarios, has been highly praised. Facing the urgent demand from global ESG shippers for zero-carbon transport capacity over 600 kilometers, by June 2025, the Hibot H49 was officially deployed in IKEA North China Logistics operations. This marks the first commercial application of hydrogen heavy-duty trucks in long-distance, heavy-load scenarios exceeding 600 kilometers. After over 150 days, the vehicles have operated across Beijing, Tianjin, Hebei, Shandong regions, setting a new benchmark for hydrogen logistics with real-world data. In the HIBOD H49-2.0 project, the H49 delivered outstanding results. Hydrogen consumption under full load of 49 tons, 7.1 kilograms per 100 kilometers. Vehicle curb weight as low as 10 tons.